However, there are manufacturers like Xiaomi that still have for users who flee from the disproportionate growth of the diagonal. The reason is that the Chinese manufacturer has presented a new model of the cheap televisions of the Mi TV 4A range. It is a 40-inch model that comes to be located at the base of those that we already know of superior size with diagonals of 43, 49, 55 and 65 inches. It is a cheap TV, and how to cut it somewhere, we will find a less stylized design, especially in the thickness of the panel compared to the upper-level family, the Xiaomi Mi TV 4. In this model we find a Full HD panel, or what is the same, 1920 x 1080 pixels, capable of achieving a refresh rate of 60 Hz to which a response time of 8 milliseconds is attached. Inside it mounts a Amlogic T962 quad-core processor Cortex-A53 at 1.5 GHz, supported on a Mali-450 MP3 GPU and a 1 GB RAM. It also has 8 GB of internal memory. The sound is based on the use of two 8-watt stereo speakers that also supports Dolby sound in basic mode. And with regard to connectivity, we can use Wi-Fi 802.11, and although we do not have Wi-Fi AC, an HDMI port, another HDMI port with ARC, two USB ports, an Ethernet port and an optical audio output,